Welcome back. It's a stack diff. I think it's part 4. I don't know exactly. But today we are going to talk about some routes properties, I guess. Yeah. We're going to talk about route params, which is very, very important, especially if you want to show a page. Let's say you have an image and has a description, and there would be a button on them to show the description. You kind of might be confusing right now, but you will get what I'm saying later when we get into projects. However, as I want to recap a few things before I get into it. In the last video, we wrote our first Express program. First of all, you need to express the framework we use in Node.js. First of all, you need to install Express using npm libraries, npm install express -- save, which that make the express saved in the package JSON. Then we need to define the port and call the express. This is the route, and this is the app.listen. This will tell the Node.js to be served on a certain port, which is 3000 as we define it. However, and this is app.get. This is a route. When you go to /, let me and new terminal and go into the cd desktop cd demo, I guess. Yeah, it was demo, and write node app.js. As you see, it has started as port server has started on port 3000. This is a console log. This is used to detect your steps or detect your errors, especially. This is very useful. And we go in the browser. This is just a recap of the last video. Localhost 3000, and go to URL hi as we define it. Hi, it's me visiting res.send. Send the message when we go to this route. There is another route which is don't use it that much, but let's get when you write star. If you are watching this and you had experience with programming and stuff, that starts, you know what it means. Before I say it, I wanted to guess what is it. Rest don't send hello. It is star route. What this stars do is that when we go to the port and we write anything, whatever the fuck, sorry about that, whatever you want to write, you write it here, and it's go. Wait, what's the problem? Okay, wait, rest dot it's gotta be something. Oh, I forgot this. Okay, I get this. What's the problem, man? Why it doesn't work? Wait. It's gotta be work. App.get gotta work. Request don't respond. Why isn't working? It's gotta work. Wait a minute. Let me restart the server. Okay. You see, wasn't specified. Write whatever the hell you want, and it gets to the route that you set it because you wrote a star. I hope you got what I meant. Another thing, and I want you to pay close attention. This is important. App.get we have animal, let's say animal route. Then we have the type of the animal. Okay, this this sign, I don't know what they call it, but this, it lets you to write whatever whatever the thing that you want to write. Kind of be confusing, but you will get what I'm saying in a minute. Request or respond. Rest dot send. Let's say animal. What? Oops. Animal, I guess. Something like that. If I was gonna look, we go to this route. Wait, let me restart my server and go to this route. Animal, and write whatever you want. It's like the star. It's like the star, but it's kind of different because I'll tell you in a minute. Look, I will write a dog. You gotta give me something. Wait a minute. I need. Oh, wait. Why is it like this? Animal and dog. Wait. Let me delete this. Start my server. Look, it wasn't working because the order of the route wasn't set up. Okay, so the order of the routes is so important as well. So when I wrote a doc, this is up to you what you're writing. This is constant, but when we put in the route like this, when we set up that in the code, it means that whatever comes behind this slash is up to you. It's like the star, but there is a different thing. There is a object that Node.js provided with it, allows you to access this URL path dot log. If you write request, which bring us all the info, let me save it and you will see what I mean in a minute. When I go this route, let me refresh it and you will see. You see that? This is printing us the request object. It got everything that we need, but we are looking for something called params. What params is the placeholder. So basically the type this type is a placeholder for params object. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you see params, you will see a param. Wait a minute. Params. Where is it? Let me see param. Come on, this is a lot. Params. Wait, I can't find it. Come on, param. Where is it, param? Param. Come on, guys, help me out. Come on, where are you? Can't. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where are you, man? Where are you? Anyway, I can't find it now. But if we access the object from here, params, and clear this out because this is so messy, and you will understand what I'm saying in a minute. Clear. Okay. When I refresh this, oh, let me write cat this time, okay? Cat. You see? You see the placeholder type? It has cat value. I hope you understand what I was saying now. So let's access this. Let's put it in a variable and access it. Var cat equal request dot params and you'll cancel cat. If you see this, you're gonna wait a minute. Let me restart my server. You see? Wait a minute. There is something. Wait. What is the wrong? Okay. Okay, I got it. Gotta provide the name of the placeholder also, and I think we are good to go. Wait a minute. Let me start my server again. You see? Let me give it some space. You see? If I write something else, it would change. Let me write dog. You see? It has changed to dog. This we had access, or we got access to this URL part by an object that Node.js provide called request. And in the request we have another object called params. Then after the params we write the placeholder that we provided here. I hope you understand what I was saying, and I hope this was useful. If it's useful, please do not forget to like and subscribe and share this video. It was Tech Dave, and it was a Node.js Express framework. I hope you enjoyed it. Until sorry about that, guys. Until the next time, I'll see you.